Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically hide the dock on Mac. So if you'd like to free up more screen space without giving up quick access to your favorite apps, you can enable the option to automatically hide the dock. When this feature is turned on, the dock stays hidden while you're walking and only appear when you move the cursor to the edge of the screen where the dock is located. This is especially useful if you work on a smaller display or simply prefer a cleaner desktop with fewer distractions. So first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here enable the toggle right to automatically hide and show dock. And once you have enabled it, the dock will automatically disappear from the screen, and to bring it back, simply move the cursor to the bottom, left or right edge of the screen depending on where your dock is placed. And that's it. As you can see, as soon as you place the cursor to the edge of the screen where the dock is placed, it will automatically start appearing. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.